If you have a passion for nutrition and wellness, there's never been a better time to turn that knowledge into income, even without a formal degree. With the explosion of online platforms, communities, and education, your insights can be valuable to countless people seeking guidance on healthy living. In today's guide, we'll explore step-by-step strategies to help you monetize your nutrition knowledge, build credibility, and reach the right audience. Let's start with the basics. Why is nutrition knowledge in such high demand? Thanks to growing awareness about the importance of diet in overall well-being, more people are seeking tailored guidance, tips on meal planning, advice for weight management, support for specific health goals, and solutions for navigating the endless supply of food choices. If you're passionate and informed, there's a world of eager listeners waiting for your insights. Step 1 on your monetization journey is identifying your unique value. Ask yourself, what sets your nutrition perspective apart? Maybe you have personal experience overcoming digestive issues, or you've mastered budget-friendly healthy cooking. Perhaps your expertise is in plant-based diets, intermittent fasting, or family-friendly meal prep. Pinpoint your specialty. This will define your niche and help you stand out in a crowded market. But what if you don't have a formal degree? Authenticity and dedication count for a lot. Share your story. Talk about the challenges you've faced, what inspired you to learn, and the results you've achieved. Build trust by referencing reputable sources like research articles, government health guidelines, and expert interviews. Remember, many successful nutrition influencers started by sharing their own journeys and continuously learning along the way. Next, let's talk about creating content that attracts and engages your ideal audience. Start with a simple blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or Instagram page. Use clear, relatable language. For search engine optimization, SEO, focus on topics people are actively searching for. Think phrases like easy, healthy snacks, meal prep for busy people, or natural ways to boost energy. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Answer the Public, and SEMrush can reveal popular questions and keywords to target. Craft your titles with these keywords in mind, like 5 affordable superfoods for beginners or meal prep tips for working moms. Consistency is key. Regular uploads, whether it's weekly blog posts, daily Instagram stories, or bi-weekly videos, keep your audience engaged and tell search engines that your site or channel is active and valuable. As you grow, encourage comments and questions. Respond promptly and thoughtfully to build genuine relationships. With your content taking shape, let's explore income streams, even without a certification. The first and most accessible is affiliate marketing. Share your honest reviews of helpful products, cookbooks, meal prep containers, kitchen gadgets, healthy snacks. Sign up for programs through Amazon Associates, share a sale, or specific brands that align with your message. Whenever your audience makes a purchase through your links, you earn a commission, no degree required. Another powerful monetization method is digital products. Use your creativity to craft resources like meal plans, recipe eBooks, grocery checklists, or guides for specific needs, such as eating healthy on a student budget or gluten-free snacks for kids. These can be sold on your own website using platforms like Gumroad, Selfie, or Shopify. Not only do digital products generate passive income after the initial effort, but they also establish you as a trusted authority in your niche. Consider offering personalized services too. Even if you aren't a registered dietitian, you can provide value as a coach or accountability partner. For example, you might help clients set realistic nutrition goals, offer grocery shopping tips, or design custom meal prep schedules. Be transparent about your credentials. Always clarify that you're sharing educational guidance, not medical advice. Use tools like Calendly for easy scheduling and Zoom or Skype for virtual consultations. Brand partnerships and sponsorships are another avenue. As you build your presence, reach out to brands whose products match your audience's interests. Collaborate on sponsored posts, social media campaigns, or product giveaways. Companies are eager to reach engaged communities, and micro-influencers often land brand deals right in their inbox as soon as they show consistent, authentic engagement. Hosting workshops and online classes is a great option too. Themes like healthy lunchbox hacks, intro to plant-based eating, or how to read nutrition labels resonate with broad audiences. Use Eventbrite, Facebook events, or platforms like Teachable and Udemy to share your expertise and earn income. No classroom required. Don't underestimate the power of memberships and Patreon. Create a private group for your most dedicated fans, offering exclusive content, monthly Q&As, or live group calls for a small subscription fee. This model creates community and a sense of belonging while generating steady, predictable income for you. Social proof is essential for growth and credibility. Collect testimonials from people who've tried your recipes, used your plans, or benefited from your guidance. Positive feedback and word of mouth will help you attract new viewers and clients. Collaborate with others in your field. Invite guest experts for interviews, contribute guest posts to established wellness blogs, or appear on relevant podcasts. Sharing audiences and networking expands your reach and helps you learn from others along the way. Never stop investing in self-education. Stay updated on nutrition research, food trends, and best practices. Reading the latest articles, taking online courses, and attending webinars will allow you to deliver fresh, accurate content, keeping your audience engaged and loyal. Remember to respect the boundaries of your expertise. Never diagnose, prescribe, or give medical advice. Instead, focus on motivating, educating, and empowering your audience to make informed choices. Know when to refer clients to a qualified health professional for medical conditions or specialized care. Finally, don't be discouraged by a slow start. Building an online presence and income stream takes perseverance. Celebrate small milestones, stay authentic in your messaging, and use any setbacks as learning opportunities. Over time, your hard work and passion will pay off. In summary, you don't need a formal degree to monetize your nutrition knowledge. Start by honing your niche, building engaging, SEO-friendly content, and diversifying your income with affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, brand partnerships, online classes, and memberships. Prioritize authenticity, continually expand your knowledge, and give your audience real value. The world needs your insights. Start sharing them today and turn your passion for nutrition into a thriving business.